Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi BlackShark 5 device, and now I can show you how to set up newbie share on this device. Firstly, open your control panel, enable mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services, then find here newbie share. If you can't see it, if you don't see newbie share on your control panel, click on edit button, scroll down and click on the plus button above newbie share. Click done. And cool. Now we see newbie share in our control panel. Now click and hold on newbie share. Scroll down. Wait a while. Click add or verify. Click agree. Wait a while. And cool. Now we can change our device name. For example, Black Shark 5. You can change device visibility mode. For example, you can be visible for contacts only or for everyone. You can change the data usage mode. Data mode includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes, Wi-Fi modes, Wi-Fi only mode, or without internet only Bluetooth mode. As you can choose data mode. So that's it. Now we can send and receive data using newbie share on our device. For example, if I want to share this image from my another Android device, from my OnePlus to my Black Shark, so by clicking on send and send by newbie share, you will see turn on newbie share button, click on your device, click accept on your device, wait a while, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.